Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a clear picture. You see my TV like this, okay? That's the step that I've gone. One step. Rule number one. Take your TV remote, click menu. After clicking menu, take again TV remote, write 1147 on your TV screen. There is something like this. It's going to bring it to you. So, are you there? After that, go to where they have written panel setting. After go where they have written panel setting, they're going to bring something like this. Go where they have written Versa in paragraph 3. And then you see my remote. Click here. 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 Okay? After that, it's going to bring you a clear picture. Subscribe. God bless you.